Hi, this is Sarita. Welcome back to my YouTube channel at Signing Education. Friends, today again I am here because I have a topic that is parents tension. What is parents tension? Right now it's lockdown period and all school closed, so that's why the students that's why the students children getting trouble in their education, and parents also getting more scared about their education because right now it's a lockdown period. Everywhere all children are inside their house, they are just playing so much but studying very little, and there is no school, they have no environment, they are just staying inside the home with their parents and their family member, and they are doing what, they are playing more, studying less. So that's why family member means parents are so scared, and many parents also calling me because of their students, their children's children's naughty things, because they would not take care of their children very well. They thought that if the school will be open, then the students will be study some kind of study they will do. But what can we do right now? It's a lockdown period, and also our government declared that everywhere we should do stay inside the house and stay safe, and keep it social distancing, and also do what our children also most important part of our country, so we always take care of them. But if I will say about the parents tension, about the parents thought, it's good, it's very good, because parents are the biggest guider of a child life. So I must say, dear parents, you should take care of your child, because it's a tough situation. Every child are need your support, your effort. You have to focus on them, you have to take care of them, not only the physically, you also take care of their mentally, and also give them support in their study. You should guide them. Yes, definitely the corona will be go, and there will be again the normal time will become, but still now it's pandemic, it's difficult for everyone. And as a parent, as a teacher, I will definitely say, you take care of a child inside the house, you give some time for their study, and also play with them, and also take care of the emotion. They are not attached with their friends right now, they are inside the house, they are not doing any physical activity. So I must say, as a parent, you should treat with them like a friend with them, be friend with them and play with them, and help them to study. Yes, there is online classes must be in children's life, so I must say, you just give time to the child to stay in the online class and attend the online class, because online class also very good for children, because they are nothing, something is more than nothing. I must say, something is more than nothing. If there is something happening in our online class, without hesitating, they must be attend that class, because teachers also be prepared for the online class. They want how to deliver their teaching, how to deliver best way, how to represent their teaching in a very good way, that the children will be acquire the learn process, as well as they can learn from this class. So I must say, I must suggest you to attend the class. If your children is not able to attend the class, then you will help the children, if you will help the child to attend that class. It's very effective. And by the way, I will say, don't worry for the today's situation. It's a exam for everybody, means every human body now suffering, and not only the students, not only the teacher, every profession right now suffering. So it's a big time, so we will connect to each other. Specifically I will say to parents, dear parents, you must take care of your child, because right now you are the best guider of your child's life. So you just take care of your child, and also I must say, you just take care for their education, because it's a long period of time the corona has been staying here and affecting our life very badly. But we should we should defeat that corona. We should defeat that corona and win over there, because corona is a big problem for everybody's life. So if we will stay safe, if we will not affected by the virus, and we will do something better in our life, then the corona must be defeated. So we should fight with the corona and make ourselves so means unbelievable. We should do more unbelievable things in our life to grow, to learn more things, because here is no one in a situation they cannot do anything. Yes, definitely it's a big situation for everybody, but we can learn more things. And about the children, I must say, dear children, you just support to your parents. What they are talking to you, what they are saying to do, you must do that. Obey your parents, because your parents is your greatest person in your life. So obey your parents and study well, stay safe, go and stay safe. Don't move outside, because it's very difficult situation. So your safe is your parents happy, so you should stay safe. Okay, and dear parents, not to worry for today's situation. After a dark situation, there must be a light will be come, so you don't worry. Yes, the corona will be go definitely, but it's a peak position, so you should take care of yourself as well as your children. So this is all about today's discussion, today's thought. It's my opinion. If you have some any other opinion, if you like the video, then please comment under the comment box, and please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much. Jai Jagannath. Take care and stay safe. Bye bye.